9 minus 2 parenthesis 7 plus 3. 9 minus 2 will give us 7. Then we have 7 parenthesis 7 plus 3. In our parenthesis, 7 plus 3 will give us 10. Then we have 7 times 10. 7 times 10 will give us 70. 70 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our parentheses, which is 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 will give us 10. Then we have 9 minus 2 times 10. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, note that there is a multiplication sign in between. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 2 times 10 will give us 20. Then we have 9 minus 20. 9 minus 20 will give us negative 11. Negative 11 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.